Hey y'all, it's me, Serena, and welcome back, or welcome to Style with Serena. My channel is about style in our 40s, 50s, and beyond, and how you can be the best version of yourself no matter what your age. So I do a lot of unboxings, I do shopping hauls, reviews, and that type of thing. So if that sounds like something that would be interesting to you, be sure to click that red subscribe button and please give my video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. So today I have a subscription box unboxing for you guys, and it is the summer Curateur collection. This is Rachel Zoe's quarterly collection of items that she curates, hence the name. And it used to be called Box of Style, and then it changed to Curateur. I don't know when, but I just did my first one this year. I did the spring curation is what she calls it. And this is different from a lot of subscription boxes in that it only comes out 4 times a year. It's one per season. This is the summer box. And it is on the pricey side, but usually she provides a link, a referral link to share with people who are already subscribers that we can share and get y'all in for a discount. I'm having some technical difficulties with my Curateur account, so I can't get to that referral link, but I promise that I will update it and put it in the description box below once I get in contact with their customer service. I also want to mention that RAKUTEN, if you haven't signed up for RAKUTEN, that's something you should check out for your online shopping because it's cash rebates for thousands of online retailers. And if you sign up, then you get cash back on those purchases, and they pay out every quarter or so. And they can either send you a check or just put the money straight into your PayPal account. And it's pretty cool because, they cover everybody like Target, Walmart, Old Navy, Macy's, Kohl's, anything you can think of. Plus, some of the subscription boxes are on there. So Rakuten is offering a $15 rebate on your Curator subscription. And so this, like I said, it's pricey. It's $99 a quarter. But if you activate that Rakuten when you go in and purchase it, then you get a $15 rebate. So really you're getting it for $85. So, and I'll put a link to my Rakuten account or my referral link below. So if you haven't signed up for that, you can go through that and you'll get an extra rebate if you use my link. So we are going to get into this unboxing. I haven't even opened it. I kind of know the items that are in there because they do allow you to customize and pick between a couple of items. So I've already opened the box, but just to get the magazine off the top. This is what comes in the front. It's her little Curator magazine, and it talks a lot about the products that are in the box and how to use them and just about the manufacturers of them and things like that. And the other neat thing about Curator is once you're a subscriber, she has a shop on the Curator website where you can go anytime and shop for items that she has curated on there. And it's pretty high-end, nice items. It's health and beauty items. It's accessories, sometimes things for your home, clothing, all kinds of different things, and they're at discounted prices. And also, right now she's got a sale of 20% off anything on her website, on the Curator website, with the code archive20, but that's only if you sign up and become a subscriber. So all right, let's get into this box and see what we have got. Okay, so you open it up, it's all wrapped up with tissue, nice and neat like that. And I've been so excited to get this. I've been waiting for weeks. And I'm going to pause this while I take everything out so it's not rattly and crinkly. Okay, I'm back. I have unwrapped everything, or most everything, and I am back to go over the items. And I forgot to mention that even though this is an expensive subscription box, you're getting a huge value in items. My first box that I received was the spring one, and I went through and added up each item that was in it. And if I had purchased each one of those things at retail value, it was over $800 worth of products, and I got it for the $99 or whatever my final price was. So just remember that it may seem expensive, but you're getting a lot of really nice things. So first of all is this tote bag. This is by Rachel Zoe, and it is called the Capri tote, and it's made out of this thick canvas material, just kind of in an off-white. And it has faux leather piping on the handles and all around the edges. And then it does have a little nameplate right here that says Rachel Zoe. And then on the inside, it has a snap closure right here with a magnet. And then there's one zipper pocket inside. So this is just a really nice size tote for summer. You could carry it every day as your purse. It's not too big. And I will show this to you at the end. I will model the items in here. But yeah, you could use it as an everyday tote. You could put an iPad in here. You could put a water bottle in here, and of course your wallet and glasses and all that kind of stuff. I don't think it would hold a laptop unless you had a really tiny one, but it definitely would hold an iPad. So yeah, great size bag, and this is just a great look for summer. And some of the items are tucked inside the bag. So let's open these up and see what we've got. Okay, well, this is not part of the actual curation, but she sent a little sample of Chanel Ultimate Hydration Micro Serum. So there's a little sample of that in there. And then here is one of the items that she sent. This is by One Kind Beauty. And it is the Carrot Seed and Rosehip Nourishing Face Oil. So let's take this out. Okay, so there's the bottle, and it's got the little dropper. Oh, and it smells amazing. It smells like a spa. You know, when you go into, or I tell you what, have you ever been to an Aveda hair salon? And that smell of that shampoo, the Aveda, it's like rosemary and something shampoo that they use that smells so good. That's what this smells like. I love that smell. It just smells amazing. So, just trying it out on my hand here. That feels wonderful. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh. I could almost put this on and wear it like a cologne. And let's see what she says about the oil. One Kind, behind the brand. Sibling duo Madison and Matt launched One Kind to make thoughtfully crafted, clean skincare accessible to all. Designed to layer together, the brand also offers carefully constructed sets enable you to get your glow on with ease. And about this particular product, the Nourishing Face Oil, says this nutrient-rich blend of 20 oils and extracts, including rosehip and carrot seed, delivers anti-aging properties while soothing redness, repairing sun damage, and brightening your complexion. With just a few drops a day, you're left with glowing, dewy skin that smells divine. I believe that because it does smell divine. So that is the face oil. Okay, next item, but before I get into the next item, I forgot to mention that the retail value of this tote bag is $105. So you've got your price of your subscription covered just with the bag, so $105. And then the price of the the One Kind facial oil is $45. Okay, so my next item, this is by Marc Jacobs Beauty, and it is the Hydrating Coconut Lip Oil. And let's see what this looks like. Okay, there's the tube. So it's just like in a little lip gloss tube. It has a little doe foot applicator, just like lip gloss. It smells kind of coconutty. It doesn't have an overly strong odor of any kind. I'm not going to put it on my lips because I don't want to mess up the wand with lipstick that I have on. So I'll just rub a little on my hand. Oh, that feels nice. I bet that feels amazing. Let's see what it says about this. It says, ultra hydration is the name of the game come summer, and this nourishing formula boasts 5 different kinds of coconut oil. Use alone for a plump, natural sheen or as a primer to soothe and hydrate lips before applying your favorite lipstick. And retail value of this is $29. So yeah, okay, that's neat. So I definitely will be using that because my lips stay dry even in the summer. This will be great though in the winter time too, because I don't know about you guys, but my lips get super dry in the winter. But from the sun and everything, yeah, they dry out in the summer too, especially being in pools and around chlorine and all that. That really dries out my skin. So I'm excited about that to help with hydration. Okay, the next item I'm real excited about. The Curator box always comes with some great jewelry. In the spring box, they had these, well, not these, but some gold earrings that are links that you can connect or disconnect or reconfigure multiple ways. And I have worn those earrings like crazy. They have been just the best versatile earrings for me. So I was excited to see what they put in the box this time because she always comes up with just great jewelry, and no exception this time. And this time around we have a necklace. This is by a designer called named Melinda Maria, and this is the Star Lariat necklace. So you see it has kind of the paperclip style chain, and then it's the lariat style at the bottom with this pendant on it. And I'll try to show you the pendant. So it's the moon and stars. And then it has a lobster claw clasp and a pretty good bit of room there to adjust it. So you can let it be down longer or up more choker length if you're layering. I think this is just gorgeous. And it's totally my style, and I know that I'm going to be wearing this a ton. So I will put all this on for you guys in just a minute and kind of give you a final review. But Melinda Maria, it doesn't give a retail value for this necklace. I looked and looked for it and I just couldn't find it. But it says, whether on the red carpet or in the school carpool, Melinda's jewels make you feel luxurious, sexy, edgy, and classy without worrying about the price. Partnering with charities to donate proceeds, her designs and impact are truly timeless. And then there's a little article about her. That's the designer right there, Melinda Maria. So I love this necklace. Can't wait to wear that. It would look good with what I've got on today. Love it. Okay, my next and last item in this box is the item that you could choose. And these are both by a designer named Walter Baker. And you could either choose from this like a Turkish beach towel, you know what I mean? It was kind of an ecru color with navy stripes on the edges. Or you could choose this beautiful caftan. And it's called the Tulum caftan, and here it is. I know it's kind of hard to see without me putting it on, but I will in a second. And it says, the Tulum caftan can be worn over everything from a bathing suit to a tank and jeans, finished with a swipe of vibrant lipstick for an unexpected evening ensemble. So it is long, it's black, it's got a lot of beautiful floral colors and design in it, and it just has the one tie here in the front. So yeah, this would be fantastic for a swimsuit cover-up. You look very chic with this over the top of your swimsuit, or just over a tank and jeans. So, and the retail value of this is $198. So you see how this stuff adds up pretty quick. You've got $200 for the caftan, $100 for the tote, question mark on the necklace, I couldn't find that, and then $45 on the facial oil and $29 on the coconut lip treatment. So you're getting a lot of product for what you pay. And you also get the little magazine with the articles with interviewing the designers. And let's see, I was going to show you a really good picture. Somewhere they had everything spread out in here. Here we go. So there's the towel that I did not get. And everything else. And here's a picture of Rachel on the back in the caftan holding the tote. So, all right, well, give me just a second and I'm gonna change into this caftan and tote and necklace and show you what it looks like together. Okay, here it is. What do you think? Got the tote. You can see now the size of that tote. It's just a really good size. Not too big, not too small. You know, if I were going to our neighborhood pool, just myself, and not carrying stuff for the whole family, I could carry what I needed in here and just carry my towel. This caftan is just gorgeous. I love the way it's made. It has this adjustable drawstring tie here in the waist, so you can kind of cinch it in, and I could probably fiddle with it a little bit more to get it more fitted, but aren't those beautiful colors? And I know it's long on me, and this is kind of a lot of fabric, and I'm not a big caftan wearer for that reason. I know they kind of overwhelm me, but I could totally see wearing this over a swimsuit poolside. I think it would just be really chic and pretty. But it's okay even over this tank and pants I have on, or you could wear it over jeans with just a plain white tank and jeans. I think that could be really chic too, especially if you're tall. If you're a tall gal, this will be great on you. So, oh, and the necklace, here's the necklace. I have it in the very last hook or loop, whatever, on that adjustable chain, so you can see where it falls there. But you could definitely make it be more choker length if you like that. But I love the necklace. Probably my favorite thing in the box. I know that I will be wearing this a ton. I just love the paperclip style chain, and I love that pendant. I think it's so pretty. So love that. All right, so that is the summer Curateur collection from Rachel Zoe. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and showing all the items. This is a little bit out of the norm of what I usually do. I usually don't do the unboxing right out of the box. I'm usually just trying on clothes and things like that. So thank you for bearing with me. And I hope this was interesting to you and that you enjoyed seeing these items. And don't forget, I will put a link down below to Rakuten. So if you want to try one of these boxes, go ahead and sign up for Rakuten first. That way you'll get your $15 rebate when you make your purchase of the Curateur box. So thank you again for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate all your comments and love interacting with you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. So until I see you next time, have a stylish day. Bye-bye.